Wanna change the controls and key bindings in Rocket League but not sure how? No need to worry. In this quick video, I'll show how you can do just that right from your computer. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, fire up Rocket League on your computer. Once you're in the game, click on Settings from the left side menu. Then switch to the Controls tab. From here, you will be able to change various controls related settings, including steering sensitivity, aerial sensitivity, controller dead zone, ball camera mode, mouse sensitivity, etc. Now to change the key bindings, click the View Change Bindings button from here. To change a key, just click on the keybind you want to change and then press the key you want to assign. You may get a warning, just click on OK, and your key will be assigned. But if you messed up the setup too much, just click on the default button and then on Yes. And the key bindings will be reset back to default. So that's how you change controls and key bindings in Rocket League on your computer. If the video was useful, smash that like button. Want more Rocket League related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.